Hello everybody, it's Doug here. In this video, I'll take you on a comprehensive tour of the Formula 1 exhibition at ExCeL London. Open between the 23rd of August and the 31st of December 2024, I'll show you all the best static displays, the driving simulators, and even what's for sale in the merchandise store. Hosted across 6 purpose-built rooms designed in collaboration with award-winning curators and filmmakers, it is an immersive adventure through the past, present and future of Formula 1. ExCeL London is situated on the northern quay of the Royal Victoria Dock in London Docklands, located between Canary Wharf and London City Airport. Take the Elizabeth line and alight at Custom House for ExCeL. We visited the exhibition on Friday the 4th of October 2024. The first stop for us was the driving simulator. These sessions last approximately 8 to 10 minutes and must be booked when you buy your exhibition tickets at an extra cost of £15 over the admission price. This varies between £25 and £35 per adult and £16 to £18 for a child, depending on day and time. The simulators use PlaySeats, Fanatec steering wheels and Philips ultra-widescreen monitors, and mirror the seating position, shape and overall configuration of a Formula 1 car. The first area features a multiscreen video display and 4 iconic Formula 1 cars from the 1960s, 70s, 80s and 90s. This Replica Ferrari 156 F1, exclusively on display here, pays tribute to Phil Hill's 1961 championship successes. Enzo Ferrari had all Sharknose Ferraris scrapped at the end of 1962, but after look-alike props starred on screen in the 1996 film La Passione, 2 replicas were built using original Ferrari parts. Emerson Fittipaldi's Lotus Ford 72D from 1972, in iconic John Player Special livery, is widely regarded as the most successful race car design in history and one of the greatest Formula 1 cars of all time, with its distinctive aerodynamic front. Conceived by Lotus founder Colin Chapman and designer Maurice Philippe, the Lotus Type 72 marked a new era of motor racing and won 2 Drivers' World Championships, 3 Constructors' World Championships, and secured 39 podium finishes with 20 wins, a feat unmatched by one car type in the history of Formula 1. The Williams FW7C, driven by Australian Alan Jones and Argentinian Carlos Reutemann, won the 1981 Constructors' Championship. It achieved 4 pole positions and 8 podium finishes throughout its career, and was widely credited for its aerodynamic design, and was considered one of the most successful racing cars of its time. The McLaren Mercedes MP4-14 from 1999, designed by Neil Oakley and Adrian Newey, would go on to be the quickest car of the season and deliver Mika Hakkinen his second Formula 1 Drivers' Championship in a row. The car achieved 7 race wins. As you walk through to the next main display area, you can view some artifacts from the British Grand Prix at Silverstone. Centerpiece of the second zone is the Honda-powered Red Bull Racing RB16B from the controversial 2021 season. Amongst the other static displays in this zone are a scale model for wind tunnel testing, a safety cell structure, a Mercedes-Benz hybrid power unit, and all the tyre compounds supplied by Pirelli to Formula 1. The transition area between Zones 2 and 3 contains bronze busts by Jethro Crabb of notable Formula 1 drivers, including Lewis Hamilton, Fernando Alonso, Michael Schumacher, Ayrton Senna, Alain Prost, Jackie Stewart, Jack Brabham, Jim Clark, and Juan Manuel Fangio. There's a lot to see in Zone 3. Here you can check out the safety aspects and the artwork on the drivers' race suits and helmets throughout the decades. Zone 4 contains two further Formula 1 cars. The first is one of my personal favourites due to its elegance and simplicity of design, so I filmed it from many angles. This car held the record for the highest win rate, 15 out of 16 race wins in a season, until 2023, when it was then broken by the Red Bull Racing RB19, which itself was also powered by a Honda V6 turbo engine. Next is the Mercedes AMG F1 W09, which helped Lewis Hamilton dominate the 2018 season with 11 wins, 6 podiums, and clinch the Drivers' Championship, his 5th title. This, along with a World Constructors' Championship, made Mercedes the second team in Formula 1 history to clinch both championships 5 times in a row. Also on show in this zone are a collection of engines and bodywork components, so let's take a look at some of those. We're almost done, but on the way out there's a very striking exhibit. The charred remains of the safety cell and steering wheel from Romain Grosjean's Haas car, which helped him survive a dramatic fiery crash at the 2020 Bahrain Grand Prix. I watched this incident happen live, and it was one of the most emotionally impactful scenes I had witnessed in 35 years of following Formula One motorsport. On exit, you leave your audio guides in the receptacles topped with red and white painted tyres, and wait to enter the final area in which you can view a video montage. Before we leave, let's have a look around the merchandise store and see what's available to buy. Well, that's all for this video, folks, so thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.